Hello. I greet you, wherever you are watching us from. Thank you for tuning in. I'm John Govi Solaro here. I need us to learn this tutorial, this guitar tutorial very quickly. I know it will really help, and then it will help to grow. You grow. If you are new, just subscribe. If you have already subscribed to this channel, thank you, and then I thank you very much. May my God bless you. Continue watching our video like them. Do not forget to comment. Tell us how you have, how you have seen the lesson, and what will you need us to teach in the next episode. I'm Joel Ngovi Solaro. So this one is a very simple seben. I promise, very simple. Played it here in E. So I will start like the progression is 1, 4, 5, 4, right? So I will play first there. This is my key. I'm in E. So 1, 4, 5, 4. 1, 4, 5, 4. Right? 1, 4, 5, 4. So I will start like this. I will first play the first strings and the second, and then this is the third and the second. First I will play the first and the second strings like this, and then first I'll play this. See this hand, sorry, and then I'll play the third and the second one at the same moment on 4. So I will play this at the second time. So, and then the third and the second, like 4, and then I'll play them here. This is the third. play them at the same moment, but here now we play one chord after another, one strings after another. That's replacing the chord 1. Then, so for let us go to 4 now, and then you will come 4. This is 4, because this is 1. And then you come here 5, eh? And then you will come 5. Here is 5, eh? You play them at the same moment again, the second and the first, because this is 1, but this is 5. And then this one is, and this one will come on the 3rd, and this on the 2nd, eh? And then the last, so you return here the same process. Okay. This is 5, remember? After. Same process, eh? The same way you played. And then there is something here. You just play it sometimes, eh? It will replace 1. So. So let us go. Seconds and thirds. No. Seconds and first strings. jump this fret, and then you jump this, and then you jump. It's like you slide. You slide. You just play once, then slide, and then you come for. Now see how it's going. The timing, you'll not finish. You'll not return direct. So thank you guys for watching the full video. Just do the exercise. Maybe you need to talk to me one on one. My number is on my profile here on YouTube. My number is there. You can chat. We can talk on WhatsApp. You just text me, and then maybe you need this lesson is in, there are different levels. Perhaps it's not in your level, it's a little lower than your level or higher than your level, so you will just text me. I will reply to you, and then we will talk. My number is on my profile on YouTube. Just click there. Thank you very much, and follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as Joel Ngovi Solaro. We have our second channel where we upload only videos, worship videos, our songs, only songs there. So here only guitar. Thank you very much, and see you in the next episode. Please be part of us, be part of this great team. If you need to join the Solaro team, my personal, the one who I talk with when I need to do projects or that, my number is there. You will just tell me. Thank you very much, and Jehovah bless you.